Hey guys, it's Michelle with Mart Graphics and Design, and I just wanted to do a quick little video. It's not really a t-shirt design, but it can show you how you can manipulate an image if you want it to look a little bit different. And we're going to use the Lasso Tool today. So obviously you would want to delete this white stuff if you were going to use it for a t-shirt. And the way to do that, the easiest way to do it, is take your little magic wand here, your magic wand, and click it and press delete. And that is the easiest way to do it. I've gone over that though in some of my other videos. And if you hold the shift key, you can select multiple sections. And then you'd have to delete all this over here. But what I really wanted to show you was the Lasso Tool. And it's over here. It's with the these other lasso tools, but we can just use the plain one. And I can move all of these at once if I wanted, but I'm just going to do one at a time. Well, here, I'll move the whole thing, and then I'll just Control Z it and get it back. So if I wanted to move all of these, I would just go like that. It doesn't have to be anything exact. And then voila, done. Control D to get that the little marching ants to go away, and then Control Alt Z to get it back to where I was. So if I just wanted to move these one at a time, just select it, go to your move tool, and then move it wherever you want. This is probably a little too high, but I just, just showing you. Control D to make the marching ants go away. Go back to your lasso tool. Select it, and like I said, it doesn't have to be exact, it just has to go around. Move tool, move it where I want. Control D to make it the marching ants go away. Again, grab the lasso tool, go around. Now see, I didn't catch this part right here, so Control Z, Control D, and we'll just do it again. So you do have to be careful. It doesn't have to be exact, but it does have to be everything that you want. And then we could put this up here. And then we could leave that one there. Or, so that's it, guys. Just a little quick video on how to use the Lasso Tool. Very basic. All right, guys, and be sure to like the video if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe, and please leave me some comments if you want to learn something in particular. Let me know. And I have a Facebook group for graphic designers and Photoshop, users. It's in the link. It's in the description link below. If you guys wanted to join that, and there's some tips on there. There's other people's videos. You can show off your work. You can show what you're doing. It's just a lot of fun. So I will see you guys next week. Thanks. Bye-bye.